Okay, so we're at the Architect 25 Expo here in Bangkok, showcasing our Big F Pro whole house water filter systems. You can see to the left is our Big F Pro 256 system, flow rate of 70 liters per minute. And then to the right we have our bestseller, the Big F Pro 267. So just wanted to give you a quick tour of what it looks like. So on this side you have raw Bangkok tap water going straight in, and we have the pressure gauge. We have a incoming pressure around 2 bars, and then we have the two-step filtration to begin with. We have the sediment filtration. So inside here is a 20 micron sediment filter to get rid of any small fine sediment, dirt, mud, sand, even plastics, things like that can be in the water. And then we have the second step filter. This is an active carbon block filter, which is made to remove like chlorine, any taste, any smell, organical compounds in the water. This is being removed by the 5 micron active carbon block filter. Also removes any like chemical residue, things like that from the water. And then the most important step, we have a 67 watt stainless steel tube. Inside here is a high flow, high output UV lamp. So this lamp will kill any harmful microbes, virus, bacteria, including E. coli bacteria that might be growing inside the water tank. We know that you can't filter them out with these filters, but it ends here at the UV lamp. So this is the most important step to get safe, pure water in your house. So filter out the things that we can see, kill the things that we can't see, the things that can actually make you sick. And over here is the control unit. So this one will tell you how many days are left of the UV lamp until it needs replacement. So right now it says 364. That means like this UV lamp will need to be replaced every year. And this one will tell you how many days are left. You have some alarm functions as well. If the UV lamp stops working, this will alarm, this will tell you, and it will also tell you when it's time to replace. Now you can see when it comes to pressure drop, right now we're sitting around 2 bars incoming pressure, and you can see we are sitting at 2 bars outgoing pressure. So yeah, the pressure drop for one of these systems is minimal. And if we look up here, we can see the way it's installed as well. You can see that we install our filters, these Big F Pro systems, after the water tank, after the pump, and then we put them at the last point before the water enters the house, meaning that you get your water filtered, disinfected with UV light, and then it reaches your appliances in the house, your faucets, your showers, and you get safe, pure water with good flow and pressure for showering, cooking, drinking. So yeah, that's the idea. Big F Pro 267 whole house system.